Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a histogram in Power BI step by step, no complex DAX code required. Whether you're analyzing sales figures, survey responses, or any kind of data distribution, a histogram is the best way to quickly spot patterns, outliers, and trends. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear visual understanding of how to build and tweak a histogram in Power BI, and you'll be ready to use this essential visualization on your own dashboards. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open up Power BI. If you haven't launched it yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, I've already got some sample data loaded up to keep things focused, but you can use any dataset you have that contains the numeric values you want to analyze. Maybe it's sales amounts, exam scores, or even order sizes. Anything that you want to group and count works great for a histogram. Now, Power BI doesn't technically have a native histogram chart, but we're going to use a clever little workaround that gets the job done fast, and it's absolutely perfect for quick exploratory analysis. Ready? Let's start by adding a new visual to our report. Over on the Visualizations pane, click on the clustered column chart icon. This is the chart we'll use to simulate a histogram, and you'll see just how easy it is. With your chart added, focus on setting up the axis and values. These are the heart of your histogram. In the axis well, select your numeric field, in our case, sales amount. But here's a trick. Right-click on sales amount and choose the new group option to create bins. Bins are what divide your data into ranges like 0, 100, 100, 200, and so forth. Power BI's grouping feature will let you quickly create these bins without any code at all. You can set the bin size based on your data and what makes sense for your analysis. For example, bins of $100 each if you want to understand how many orders fall into each $100 sales interval. Click OK, and now you've got a binned version of your sales data. Next up is the values field. This is what tells Power BI how to count up the data in each bin. Drag either orderid set to count, or if you prefer, use a measure like countrows if you want to count the number of records per bin. This step is crucial. By counting the order ID, you'll see for each bin along the x-axis how many orders fall into that specific range of sales amount. This is the true essence of a histogram. You're looking at frequency distribution. Now let's make this chart look and feel like a real histogram. Click on the Format panel, and under the Columns section you'll see an option called Gap Width. Go ahead and reduce that all the way down, or as low as it will go. This makes the bars touch each other side by side, just like a classical histogram. It's a small detail, but visually it really transforms the chart and makes it much easier to interpret at a glance. If you want to take it a step further, turn on data labels in the formatting options. This will display the count for each bin right on the chart, making it easy to read and share insights, especially helpful if you're presenting to colleagues or creating a report for decision makers. And just like that, you've built a fully functional histogram in Power BI with no code and just a few clicks. This technique is fantastic for initial data exploration when you want fast answers and visual clues about your data's distribution. If your data looks strange at first, don't worry. Adjust the bin size to find the grouping that best shows your patterns. Histogram binning is as much art as it is science, so feel free to experiment. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.